let me ask you something. Do you want to make thousands of dollars per month without having to hire a team or have to hustle your butt off? Yes? Well, this business model I'm going to be sharing more about is fast becoming a popular and profitable revenue stream, whether you're a professional, a content creator, or an online educator. If you love to write, then you're in the right place, because starting a newsletter could be an amazing side hustle or additional revenue stream in your own business. I know what you're thinking, but yes, a newsletter can make you thousands of dollars per month from affiliate links, sponsorships, and subscriptions. And as more and more business owners become so frustrated with the algorithms on social media, newsletters are fast becoming a way for you to actually generate revenue and connect with your audience in a way that is so profitable. Think about it like this. Your ideal client comes across your Instagram page for the first time, maybe stalks a couple of your photos, loves what they're seeing, gives you a follow, but then they never ever see content from you again because your content isn't getting the reach to that person. In contrast, imagine if that same person came across your content, whether it be on social media or maybe YouTube or a blog or some other platform, and you have a call to action to subscribe to your newsletter. Now, if that person subscribes to your newsletter, gives you their email address, then they're going to be receiving every email you send. Unlike social media, where you are bound by an algorithm as to whether your content is actually displayed to your followers, each subscriber that's on your list will receive your email newsletter, which means you have total control of your content. So this is why newsletters are becoming something that a lot of creators are talking about and saying you need to get started with an email newsletter, because relying on social media isn't enough anymore. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can get started with your email newsletter in one of these 5 profitable niches right now. The best thing about starting an email newsletter is you don't need any money to get started. You can get started for free. And my favorite platform to get started with an email newsletter is Beehiiv. It's an all-in-one platform that helps you grow your list, engage your subscribers, and build out a revenue stream. Plus, it's free up to 2,500 subscribers, which is pretty much the best around. So you can sign up for a free trial using my link below and check out my video, which shares a whole review of the platform after you've watched this one. So the first niche is business and marketing. So this is the niche I've decided to focus on, which is kind of obvious considering all the content that I create on this channel, but there are a lot of people focusing on this niche as well. So it's pretty competitive. So if you are wanting to focus on a business and marketing niche, then you need to create some sort of differentiation, something that makes you unique. And whether that be your tone of voice, the things you talk about, or maybe you do talk about a specific industry or type of marketing. My newsletter, The Content Society, has a focus on helping you become a better creative marketer. I share a combination of my own insights and opinions with trending news, and even a little weekly meme to bring in some personality. Some of the most popular business newsletters, as in millions of subscribers, include Morning Brew and The Hustle, both of which have been acquired for millions of dollars. Yep, millions. The reason why business and marketing newsletters are so profitable is because huge brands like HubSpot, Squarespace, Shopify are wanting to get in front of audiences that are interested in this particular topic. So there's 2 ways you can go with this one. You could go down the sponsorship angle or the affiliate link. So if you're wanting to go down the sponsorship avenue, which is the one you can make the most money from, then you are going to need a sizable list. So generally 10,000 subscribers plus, and you can charge accordingly based on how many subscribers you have. The affiliate link option is a much simpler one to get started with, especially if you have a small list. You can sign up to a partner program of one of these big brands and then get commission if someone clicks that link and actually purchases or opts into their service. Some of the affiliate programs I'm a part of are Kajabi, Flowdesk, Beehiiv, Hobby Copy, and TubeBuddy, because these are all products that I use in my own business. But if you're wanting to find some of the most profitable affiliate programs, then go and check out my video which shares 7 of these. These are the highest paying and the easiest to share with your audience. Niche number 2 is finance and trading. So if you are an expert in the finance niche, or maybe you're in stock trading or crypto trading or something like that, then people are gonna want to know what you know. If you're able to communicate this complex topic in really simple layman's terms in a newsletter, then you're going to have 1 million subscribers so quickly. One of the big players in this space is the Milk Road. So this is a daily cryptocurrency newsletter focused on explaining what's happening in plain English. The newsletter saw subscriber growth from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 10 months when it was acquired. Again, sponsorship and affiliates work really well in this niche. There's loads of finance companies out there that are wanting to reach specific audiences and have affiliate programs, or want to, build sponsorship relationships with brands. But also, if you are a true expert in this niche and you can provide extra value, a subscription model works really well. The third niche is health and wellness. So this particular industry is booming and is making billions of dollars per year. From protein powders to yoga pants to health coaching to online programs, this is such a broad industry that you can be tapping into and able to leverage in your email newsletters. Maybe you're working in the health and wellness space and you're a personal trainer or a yoga teacher, and you can be sharing workouts or recipes or some other piece of content that's really interesting and engaging for your audience. And then you can add some affiliate links to those products, like protein powders or supplements that often offer a discount for their partners. So that means that you can be passing on some sort of discount, which acts as an incentive for your subscribers to actually buy, and then you make a commission from that purchase. So it's really a win-win for both you and these health and wellness brands. This works particularly well if you're already an influencer in the niche. Maybe you've built an Instagram following or a TikTok following, and you're already building some of these relationships and these partnerships. You can just convert these into your newsletter as well. Some of the brands you might want to look into are Fitbit, iHerb, and Lululemon, who offer affiliate programs, and they're all really popular brands and trusted brands that your audience is going to love. Niche number 4 is personal essays. So if you love writing and you've built an audience, whether this be on social media, Twitter, Instagram, or you've actually created a blog, or you've creating content on Medium, then your personal essays can be a really nice way to build that relationship and your personal brand with your audience. So as an influencer or a content creator, you may be an expert in a particular niche or have had experience doing something that your audience wants to know more about, and really dive into telling that personal story each week and draw on your experience to share how-tos or strategies or even opinion pieces about what's happening in the industry you're involved in. I've noticed a lot of writers diving into this space because platforms like Instagram have never felt quite right, because that visual element is a really tricky component for them to create. So they're leveraging newsletters to take their free content and actually start making money from it. Build on whatever your audience loves you for, those opinions and thoughts, and charge a subscription model. So this may mean that you have a free version of your newsletter as well as a paid version, or it may be that a portion of your newsletter is free with the rest being paid. And these work really well, especially if you're a really interesting writer, you've got interesting thoughts on particular topics, and people can be so engaged with the content that you're creating. Obviously, you can still add affiliate links and sponsorships, but I'm finding that that subscription model works really well, even if it's just $5 a month, which is a total no-brainer for people that love what you're up to, that love your opinion, love your thoughts, and they can be receiving that weekly email or bi-weekly email. And niche number 5 is technology. So not only do people that are interested in technology want to sign up for newsletters about technology updates because they want to be the first to know, but technology companies generally have pretty deep pockets. So from that sponsorship and affiliate angle, you can start building those partnerships and make revenue from the content that you're sharing, the news updates, the reviews, or the opinion pieces that you can include in your newsletter. TLDR is the perfect example of a newsletter honing in on this niche. Now with with 1.25 million subscribers. So not only do they have one newsletter that goes out to the entire list each day, they also allow you to segment yourself based on specific tech interests you have, which means you'll receive more relevant content based on what it is you're interested in. Obviously, this is a big newsletter. They've got lots of writers, so they're able to do stuff like this, but that's that scalability. So from a newsletter, you can start off really small, start off for free, and then build and build and build. So if you are wanting to get started straight away for free, then go and check out Beehive via the link below and sign up for that free trial. And don't forget to watch my review video, which goes into detail about how Beehive is such an incredible platform to help you grow your list and monetize it so quickly. So I hope you loved this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I will be back here with another video I know you're gonna love. So until then, bye for now.